All right, welcome to the weather show with Vin Crosby. I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby. We are looking at a pretty good forecast if you're traveling early on in the week for Thanksgiving in the holiday season. If you're doing some decorating today, perhaps you want to go out to the Christmas show at the Idaho Center. See my friend Angie with Angie's Metal Arts Creations. She has made wonderful, wonderful creative Christmas decorations, and they make great gifts as well. So head on out to the Idaho Center. See Angie. She's on the second floor of the Idaho Center. They have displays all over the place there. I was there yesterday. Fantastic as to what Angie has created. Look at some of that stuff. All right, our holiday travel forecast looking this way. If you're traveling today, tomorrow, Monday, not so much Tuesday, but not bad on Tuesday. You're looking pretty good. There's going to be a system that moves on in Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, and then things will go downhill going in towards the evening, Wednesday evening, along I-5, along all of western areas of Oregon, and down towards California if you're going through Donner Pass. Snow levels will come down to around 4,000, maybe 4,500 feet, mainly back towards western areas of Oregon and Washington. Around the Blues, you're looking okay. Back up into the Idaho area, you're looking okay. And you're perfect going east. No problems traveling east of Idaho. All the weather is going to be moving on in from the west, and it's going to intensify too. Going on into Thanksgiving morning, we'll get some rain showers in the Treasure Valley, some of the higher elevations, maybe 4,500 foot snow levels. We'll get some snow, maybe a half inch to an inch in some areas. So things could get a little slick if you're going up 55 or traveling in the higher elevations, and then down to the south in the higher elevations as well. As we go, though, in through Thanksgiving night, that's when things will start to go downhill. If you're traveling Thanksgiving Day and going to the west, there'll be another system moving on in, and that's going to really lower the snow levels, even in Seattle, around Portland, possibly down to the valley floors. Thanksgiving night, going on into Black Friday, that's when things will start to pick up in intensity in the northwest as far as some dangerous driving conditions. And I do believe the wind will really increase in the Treasure Valley. We'll get that southeast wind coming on through, again, Thanksgiving night or Thanksgiving Day going into Thanksgiving night. And then it will switch around to the northwest, dropping the snow levels even here. So we should see the foothills covered in some snow. Very, very, very slight chance to see accumulating snow in the Treasure Valley, but we could see a few flakes flying mixed in with some rain. And then as we go on in towards the weekend, then another system moves on through. And I think that's the one that we got to look out for traveling back to where we're going or coming from on Thanksgiving, for the Thanksgiving week. So if you go back on Sunday and Saturday, I think that's when we'll start to see another system move on through. I think that's when we'll start to see the chances for some accumulating snows back up in the higher elevations, the Blues, the Cascades, all those areas. Watch out if you're traveling in those elevations above 4,000 feet because you will run into some wintry conditions. But the biggest concerns for this holiday travel will be Thanksgiving afternoon, Thanksgiving Day night. That's when we're going to see some issues back towards Portland, Seattle, the Cascades. That's where the winter travel conditions could be real dangerous. And then we'll see that system move towards the east, and that's when we'll see snow levels start to fall, maybe even getting down into the lower foothills around 3,500 feet, maybe above 4,000 feet. And it should be a beautiful sight, but just be cautious out there traveling for this holiday season, because that second system, not the first one, the second one coming Thanksgiving night, going on into the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, that will be the more dangerous system with lots of high winds, 50 miles per hour and higher up around Seattle, Portland. Power outages are possible there. And then that front will move towards the east and come into the Treasure Valley. The first system coming on in the day before Thanksgiving, right along I-5, that's going to be a milder system. So when that presses on through, not much in the way of wintry travel forecast conditions. Maybe down in Donner Pass, the highest elevations, maybe back towards the Cascades. And then going in towards the night of the day before Thanksgiving, Wednesday night, next week, that's when the snow levels will drop to around 4,000 feet, and we could see the foothills covered with a little bit of dusting of snow, rain in the valley, Treasure Valley of Idaho going on in towards Thanksgiving morning. That's the way I see things shaping up for our Thanksgiving forecast. I have all my latest snow forecast for Bogus Basin. Just did that this week. And of course, a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, I gave my winter weather outlook, which looks to be spot on at this point. Hey, you have yourself a great day. Get out there again. Go visit my friend Angie at Angie Metal Arts Creations at the Idaho Center.